All right, let's cut right to it. We are about to lay out the exact roadmap for you to become one of the most in-demand, highest-paid engineers in tech. This isn't just about learning a new skill, it's about a complete career transformation. So what's this number all about? According to the Cloud Native Computing Foundation, the CNCF, a whopping 84% of organizations are already using or actively looking at Kubernetes. It's not the future, people. It is right here, right now. And this number? This is where it gets crazy. That is the average salary for a Kubernetes engineer. Why so high? Because the demand is absolutely off the charts, but there's a massive skills gap. Companies are literally fighting over qualified people, and they are paying big time to get them. And look, this quote from the CNCF's own survey says it all. The biggest problem they have isn't the technology, it's finding people who know how to use it. They are desperate for certified professionals. In this series, it's your roadmap, your shortcut to becoming exactly who they're looking for. Let's put some real dollars and cents to this. A junior dev might start out around 75 grand, but with a KCNA certification on your resume, you're not starting there. You're looking at $120,000, maybe more. That is a life-changing pay bump from one certification. Let's go. So how did we even get here? How did Kubernetes become the undisputed king of the cloud? We're about to get into the untold story of why it didn't just participate in the container wars, it completely and totally won them. And the scale here, it is just mind-boggling. We're talking 5.6 million developers. We're talking about the engine that powers Netflix, Spotify, Airbnb, you name it. It's the invisible foundation that basically runs the modern internet. But why was it so desperately needed? Well, let me paint you a picture. It's 2 in the morning and your phone buzzes. The app is down. The operations team is blaming your code, you're blaming their servers. And you keep saying, but it works on my machine. Sound familiar? Kubernetes ends that entire nightmare. Before, it was chaos, manual scaling, downtime for every little update, and those endless wars between dev and ops. After Kubernetes, you get consistent environments everywhere, auto-scaling and deployments with zero downtime. Seriously, if you have ever been woken up at 2 a.m. by a production issue, smash that like button and comment 2 a.m. club below. You are not alone. Okay, so we know why we need it. But what the heck is it? This next part is going to break it all down with a simple analogy that will make this whole complex thing just click. The name itself, Kubernetes, comes from the Greek word for helmsman or pilot, the person who steers the ship. And that's exactly what it does. It's the open source platform that steers and manages all of your applications, which are neatly packaged up in things called containers. Okay, stick with me, because this is my absolute favorite way to explain this. Think of your whole system as a massive airport. Kubernetes is the air traffic control tower, orchestrating everything. Your apps inside their containers are the airplanes. The servers they run on, those are the runways and gates. Pods, those are the specific parking spots for each plane. And services are like the flight schedules, telling everyone where to go and when. It's a perfect automated system. All right, screenshot this, write it down, whatever you need to do, because these 5 concepts are the absolute heart of Kubernetes. Understanding just this slide will help you answer at least 15 questions on the exam. Containers are your app in a box. Pods are the smallest thing you can deploy. Nodes are the machines running it all. A cluster is all those machines working together. And the control plane? That's the brain making all the decisions. But wait a minute, who actually runs the show? Who's in charge of this massive, world-changing technology? You might think it's Google since they built it, but actually, you'd be wrong. This is where the story gets really cool. Google did something amazing. In 2015, they gave Kubernetes away. They donated it to the Cloud Native Computing Foundation, the CNCF. It's a neutral, nonprofit home under the Linux Foundation. This is so important because it means rivals like Google, AWS, and Microsoft all have to work together on it. No single company controls the future of the cloud. It's truly for everyone. And the CNCF has this system for organizing its projects, and you guessed it, this is a total exam favorite. New projects start in the sandbox stage, they're experimental, then they move to incubating as they get more popular, and finally they hit graduated status, which means they are battle-tested, secure, and ready for massive production use, just like Kubernetes itself. Which brings us right here to the main event, your KCNA roadmap.
the Kubernetes and Cloud Native Associate certification. This isn't just another badge for LinkedIn. This is the key that unlocks that next super lucrative stage of your career.
Let's demystify this thing, okay? It's not as scary as it sounds. It's 60 multiple-choice questions in 90 minutes. You only need a 75% to pass. Think about that. You can get 15 questions wrong and still walk away certified. And for $250, it even includes a free retake. They're setting you up to succeed. So, what's actually on the test? It's broken down into these 5 areas. But look closely at that chart. They are not all created equal, not by a long shot. The vast majority of your focus should be on just 2 of them. And here it is. This is the secret strategy, the cheat code, if you will. If you absolutely master just 2 domains, Kubernetes fundamentals and container orchestration, you've already locked down 68% of the entire exam. That is your most direct path to a passing score, and our first 7 videos will cover exactly that. And if you're still wondering, is it worth it? Just look at the numbers. Since 2020, we've seen a staggering 340% increase in Kubernetes jobs. Getting certified can lead to an immediate 20% salary increase. The data doesn't lie. This is the single best investment you can make in your tech career. So here is our commitment to you. 84 minutes of your time spread across 12 videos. That's all it takes to get the knowledge for one career-changing certification. No fluff, no excuses. The only question left is, are you ready? Are you ready to become one of the most sought-after, highly paid engineers in this entire industry? If the answer is yes, then your mission starts right now. I need you to do 3 things. 1, subscribe and smash that notification bell. This whole series is free, and you can't afford to miss a video. 2, comment KCNA 2026 down below. Let's build a study army and keep each other going. And 3, join our WhatsApp community. The link is in the description. Our next explainer dives deep into the complete Kubernetes architecture. It literally has the answers to almost 20% of your exam questions. You are not going to want to miss it. Let's do this. Let's get you certified.